There is a group of deceptive sellers who are actively marketing counterfeit Zimbabwe banknotes. They sell a mix of cheap, authentic notes alongside high-priced counterfeit notes to appear as a legitimate store. They don't have a phone number, they don't have a legit address, they are professional scammers. With the growing popularity of Zimbabwe trillion banknote, it seems like every year there are new counterfeit Zim banknotes coming into the market to confuse and trick collectors. We have already published two videos when the 2023 and 2024 counterfeit Zimbabwe banknote entered the market. And right now there is a new 2025 counterfeit Zimbabwe banknote that already entered the market. I have secretly ordered these new counterfeit Zimbabwe banknotes, and in this video I will be comparing these counterfeit notes with a genuine Zim. For reference, I will be using our tab banknote. Before I proceed to the details, I want to define a key terms. When we refer to a banknote as genuine, we mean that it was officially issued or printed by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. And when we designate a banknote as counterfeit, we are referring to a illegally produced currency that was not printed or issued by official Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. This means it has been identified as an imitation or forgery of a genuine banknote. Without further ado, let's see what's inside these envelopes. For legal purposes, I have covered all the names that are related to the shop. On the first order, they have a very nice package. So here I can see their advertising paper. The next one is certificate of authenticity. Well, of course, most of the things that is written on this certificate is probably fake, so let's move on and see the banknote. This is our fake banknote. I can obviously say from the first touch that this one is a counterfeit banknote because it has different paper. Now let's see the other package. On this package, they also have their advertising papers and also the certificate of authenticity. And the crazy part is that on the package where the banknote is, they printed a guide how to identify the fake banknote. I mean, they put real versus fake, showing the pictures under UV light, under the microscope. And if we look closely to the guide, we can see that they were putting the 2023 counterfeit versus the 2025 counterfeit. And both of them are fake. I feel like they are watching our videos and every time try to make a better version of the fake banknote. It's crazy. Okay, let's see what's inside. Well, first of all, they made a damage to the banknotes. A real seller of a collectible banknote should care about each banknote that they are selling, but this shop, they send their banknote in this condition. I mean, it is damaged. It's no longer uncirculated. They also put two Venezuela banknotes as a free gift. So why do they put their real, genuine banknote as a gift? Because they want to appear as a legitimate store. Okay, this is how they trick people. In their store on Marketplace, you can find a lot of cheap, genuine banknotes. They sell them for a cheap price and they mix it with expensive fake banknotes. So people will get tricked. They get each of these banknotes for $5 to $15 and sell them on marketplaces for $60 to $100 for each banknote. This is exactly how they trick collectors. And in this video, I will show you all the differences between the new 2025 counterfeit Zim and the genuine 100 trillion Zimbabwe banknote. Let's do a general look. Banknotes look identical to each other. Design is similar, however, there is a slight difference in color. The real one is more colorful than the fake one. You can see it easily. And the quality of the paper is better on the real one compared to the fake. The fake feels like a regular paper. The real one feels way better quality. Now let's look at the banknote step by step. Step number one, the small RBZ letters. Let's zoom under the quote, "I promise to pay the barrier on demand." On a real Zim, we see small letters RBZ. On previous 2023 and 2024 fake banknotes, counterfeiters were not able to make these small letters, but in 2025 fake Zim, we can see these RBZ letters clearly. Somehow they managed to copy that. Look identical like on a real Zim. Step 2, geometric lines. When we zoom to a real Zimbabwe banknote, we can see clear geometric lines. These are extremely hard to counterfeit as they require specific technology. On a fake Zim, you can't see these geometric lines, just some poor printed dots. Step 3. Small micro numbers. Small letters of 1 and 0 all over the square are visible on a real Zim, but not visible on the fake banknote. Step 4. 100 trillion thickness. On the other side of the banknote, on the top right corner, the front of the number is very thin with a very thick crosshatch pattern behind, making the 100 trillion hard to see. Fakes are unable to replicate the fine line work and therefore use a thicker font. On a real Zim, the geometric pattern has solid orange triangles with green lines printed over it. But because fakes come from a printer and not a pleated press, it has pink triangles with sky blue lines. Step 5. See-through feature. Under the transmission, the curved lines align together smoothly and show the numbers, but on the fake, they don't align together. Now let's look at the banknotes under the UV light. Step 1. The paper color. We can see obvious differences in the color of the banknotes under the UV. The real banknote has a dark purple color because it's made of a special paper, while the fake banknotes illuminates bright blue color because it's made of a regular paper. Step 2. Fluorescent fibers. The fluorescent fibers on a real Zim have a form of a small line or a scratch and spread all over the banknote randomly. On previous 2023 and 2024 fake Zim, the fluorescent fibers were in the form of a bold dots. But on a new 2025 fake Zim, the fluorescent fibers have a form of a small scratch and accurate lines. So new fakes are closely resembling the authentic banknote. Step 3. Serial numbers. The serial numbers on a real Zim illuminate stronger under the UV light. On the fake Zim, they slightly illuminate. Compared to previous 2023 and 2024 fake Zim, the new fake didn't make significant change in the brightness of the serial numbers. On the other side of the real Zim, the fluorescent design on the geometric shapes are different. The real Zim has orange color, while the fake has more yellowish color. Counterfeiters are advancing every year. It's getting really hard to identify if the banknote is real or not. I mean, if I was a person who has never seen a real Zimbabwe banknote, who has never watched this kind of educational videos, and who has never touched and felt a real Zimbabwe banknote, I would really believe that this fake banknote was probably the right one, because I would look at the UV light, I would look some security features and may say, yes, it looks legit, but at the end of the day would get scammed. I think right now the only option to verify the banknote is to look under the microscope. These small security features are really hard to replicate. That's why we at Banknote World added this small portable magnifying glass to our website. Personally, for me, they are a real great help to identify and look through fake banknotes. It has a regular light, it has a UV light, and it's always on my desk. I can easily look on every banknote whenever I have a chance to say if it's real or no, because it shows all the small details. This is just my personal suggestion. But if you want to be 100% sure about the authenticity of your collectible banknotes, get our tab banknote. As you know, at Banknote World, we have a whole team that checks and verifies every banknote. Then these verified banknotes are carefully sealed in a plastic sleeve, which protects it from water, dust, mold, and damage. Every tab banknote is also digitalized. When you scan the QR code, it will send you to the website where it shows your name, the serial number of the banknote, and even the exact photo of your banknote, so you can always prove the ownership of your collectible. Basically, TAP is the best solution to get 100% authentic collectible banknote. Save this video so you never get scammed. Subscribe to our channel for more educational content about collectible banknotes. Sincerely, Banknote World.